In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail not receiving emails. If you're having trouble with Yahoo Mail, fret not. We'll walk through some straightforward steps to get things running smoothly again. First, log into your Yahoo Mail account. It might sound obvious, but it's always a good place to start. You'd be surprised how often login-related issues can cause emails to go unnoticed. Once you're in, let's head to the spam folder. Often, legitimate emails can get mistakenly filtered as spam. Therefore, it's important to take a moment to check if anything has ended up there by mistake. Next, switch your focus to the trash folder. Sometimes, emails are accidentally deleted and end up there. So it's worth a peek to see if anything important has landed in the trash bin. If your search yields nothing, don't worry. We've got more bases to cover. Now, it's time to verify your account settings. A frequent cause of not receiving emails can be settings that have been changed either accidentally or by some automatic update. Ensure those settings are correct, especially your spam and filters settings, so they're not blocking or directing your emails elsewhere. Moving on, let's address syncing issues. This can be especially relevant if you're using Yahoo Mail on multiple devices. Ensure all devices and applications are properly synced. Sometimes, simply signing out and then signing back into your account can resolve sync issues and refresh your email's link to the server. Another helpful tip can be clearing your browser's cache. Outdated cache can halt proper email loading, so give that a try. Additionally, make sure your Yahoo Mail app is updated if you primarily access your email via the app. App updates fix bugs and other issues, which could be preventing email delivery. If you're still having issues, it might be worth contacting the sender of any expected emails. Ask them to confirm they're using the correct, full Yahoo email address, as even a minor typo can prevent emails from coming through. Finally, check your account storage. Yahoo Mail allows for a generous amount of storage, but if you find yourself at the limit, new messages might be blocked. Navigate to your storage settings to see if there's any old clutter you can clear out to free up space. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have a better handle on ensuring your Yahoo Mail account receives emails without a hitch. If you continue facing issues, Yahoo's support team is a valuable resource for more in-depth assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with managing your inbox.